if your blood pressure goes up every time and you are the patient of BP, so this video is for you. Good day guys, this is Dr. Basit. If you're the patient of blood pressure and your BP goes up once in a week or every day, so just take 2 pieces of garlic, cut it and the pieces and boil it. When the water become half, then you can drink this tea of garlic twice in a day, morning and evening, twice in a day before the meal. You eat this, you drink this water. You can eat directly the garlic slice too. But if you can't eat directly, just drink the water. Your BP will be controlled just in one day. If you drink the first time this water, this tea of the garlic, you will feel much better. If you're using any type of medicine, if it is the allopathic, it's the homeopathic, or it's Ayurvedic, or it's the herbal, you will feel much better with this remedy. Try this.